Hello folks, welcome back to Jim's Raised Bed Garden. In this episode I want to plant out some leeks, but I have a predicament and I'll explain that later. It's to do with my beans and my onion bed. Let's see. Right folks, the predicament I've got is I want to start off my Dwarf French Beans, but the space I've got for them is in an old onion bed. And I was watching Danny at the Grow Up channel on Sunday night when spookily he was doing the same thing, and he said it was a bit of a risk, and but he could do it with plenty of compost. But I've thought things through and I've decided not to do it. So the problem I've got now is I need to find space for my Dwarf French Beans. Is there a deadline? It's the 25th of June as I speak now. Is there a date where I shouldn't really be trying to plant them out? If you can let me know in the comments, I'd be grateful. Meanwhile, I'm going to stick to my onion bed. We'll get that prepared, and I'll show you exactly what I'm dealing with now. Alright folks, here's my onion bed. Previously had my garlic in, and I've got the remnants of my overwintering onions. So we'll take them out and then prepare the bed for my leeks. Obviously got stuff to put in it to try and improve the soil, give the leeks a chance, but we'll do one step at a time. Let's have a look at these lovely onions. Alright folks, I'm really pleased with them onions. There's my Senshui, and they're pretty good. And these are my snowball. As you can see, there's only 4 snowball, so you can see what's bolted and what I've had to pull up. I think they were the same numbers of each in the bed. But yeah, happy days. We'll get them in the garage ready to dry out, and then we'll move on. Right folks, got you back. Bed doesn't look too bad. So put a bit of farmyard manure and pulled as many as the weeds, if that's the right word, from the onions. You know, the white stringy bits. I've got as much of that out as I can. A bit of shop bought compost. I've cleaned us out on that one. It's only about half a bag, quarter a bag. And then the rest is homegrown. So I've firmed that down, and for better or worse, my feeble attempt at leeks. So I'm trying to think when, they were put in on the 8th of August, so I think they've been in long enough. I think they've been in the mini greenhouse too long, I think. So I've got 27. Some are obviously better than others, so I'm going to make some holes in there. I've checked online, 15 centimeters deep, rows 30 centimeters apart. Anyway, I'm going to give it the Jimmy Shuffle. Bring you back shortly. Right folks, brought you back. Got 28 leeks of varying sizes, so I'm hoping they're not too close, but I don't want to grow shore leeks, just happy in between the leeks, if you know what I mean. That'll be fine. So I'm going to do some watering. Fill each hole up with water, and then that's done with the leeks. Little question, obviously got a bit of space here now. I would love to have put me French dwarf beans, but obviously I've decided, like I said earlier, no. So I'm wondering what else I can put in there. I've got some lettuce from seed, got some actually I won't show you, just bear with me. I've got some beetroot from when I originally planted it out. I don't know if that will work. And pure and simple marigolds. So I don't have to always put flowers in, vegetables in, do I? And just while I'm here, I'll just show you me pride and joy. Wow, King of the North. Anyway, I better finish. Apologies for that. Middle of the week, you'd think you'd be safe, wouldn't you, from DIY. Anyway, I'll bring you back shortly. Right folks, got you back. Apologies for that. 2 hours into my job and someone's decided to take a chainsaw or something. Wonderful. Never mind, nearly done. So I've put the water in the holes. I don't know if you can see. I'm not that impressed, but the hole's not deep enough. Do I need to put more water in? If you think I've done something wrong, great, give us a shout. Just put a little comment in. And the rest of the space, I'm not going to do anything with probably till the weekend. So if you've got any advice where I can and cannot do, just drop me a comment and I'll be over the moon. I'm going to put a link in and show you Danny's link for Grow Up channel. Blind leading the blind, I know. If you watch me, you're going to be watching Danny at the Grow Up channel. But I'll put it in there anyway. Just a really helpful bloke. Don't tell him I said so. Really nice, helpful. Do anything for anyone if he can. And he's helped me a good few times already in my short YouTube career. So well worthy of a shout out. And like I say, I need to just get my head around what I can and cannot do with the rest of this space. And believe it or not, have a look for somewhere to put me dwarf French beans. I haven't really got a lot of space. I've got some pots. And on finishing on a bad note, sorry Linda, I just thought I'd show you. Don't know if you can see, it's absolutely hammered. My last sunflower. I don't know if that, well, I think it has gone, hasn't it? What I'm going to do actually on here, if I can, is put a frame around, mainly for me sweet corn. I know it needs the wind, but not just yet. I need to give it a bit of protection from the constant winds we're having. And I thought if I can get it high enough, I'll give this one last try. Don't give up just yet. I was looking forward to that, getting a nice sunflower for Linda at the Feel Good Garden. But being honest, I don't think it's going to happen. So like I say, thanks everyone for watching. If you can give me a like, subscribe even, but mainly the comments. I keep telling you, comments is what I live off, and I love it, all the comments, all constructive advice given, love it. Like I say, I've got 79 subscribers, so we're limping along, and if I get to 100, I'll quit at 100. But thank you once again for watching, and see you all in the next one.